Hi everyone. Empathy, sympathy, apathy, they are all different types of feelings, but they are different. Do you know the difference? Let's see. Number one, empathy. Empathy is shown as how much compassion and understanding you can give to another person. Here is an example. My son is very empathetic. He cares about me. He always listens to me without judgment. Number two, sympathy, which is a sincere concern of someone who is experiencing something difficult or painful. Here's an example. My friend's dad passed away last week. I went to her to express my sincere sympathy for her loss. Number three, apathy, which is the absence of having any emotions, passion, excitement. Pretty much you are not even enthusiastic to do anything. Here's an example. You said you have no energy? Don't be so apathetic. How are you going to get the job if you don't even start looking? So empathy, I understand you. Sympathy, I feel sorry for you. Apathy, I don't feel anything. And now it's your turn to practice. It's a quiz time. What is this feeling? When someone understands other person's feelings, emotions, listens to him without judgment, if that's empathy, sympathy, or apathy, write it in the comment below and follow me for more. Ta-da!